Technology is rapidly changing the way the construction industry works. Building information management brings together the latest tools to enable all stakeholders to work collaboratively across the life of the project.
On the complex projects that we've been on, BIM has allowed us to complete the design prior to the installation starting.
Dissemination of information is very important for me. I've got 35 guys on site, so getting the right information to the guys is critical. So instead of me downloading plans, 2D drawings, I can now just go to the model, print off a screenshot with the dimensions on it, give it to my guys, one plan, one area.
So the BIM model has helped us mitigate any clashes that we would have had. That previously we would have installed a lot of services and then we would have found that there's clashes, so there was a whole lot of reworks that we would have had to have done.
On site we use a range of BIM tools, and one of them that we use is the HoloLens. So we use it on site to go around with the subcontractors and get them to visualise the model in real space. So we take them through where their trades are, where everyone else is, and we also use it for scheduling who's going to go first and who's going to go second when we're doing the installation phase.
So a 3D laser scanner lets us get a capture on reality what actually has been built on site. Obviously all the coordination we do in the 3D model is perfect world scenario, but out here we've got builder's tolerance, we've got things that aren't going to be perfect. By capturing that data and that reality capture and getting that back into the model helps us manage any discrepancies and get a successful finish.
Here at the engineering school we've used BIM technology right from day one. Utilised it in client meetings with the consultants, used it through all the shop drawing phases with the structural steel services for clash detection and getting things to actually work. On the project itself, the guys on site are all carrying mini iPads so that when they're out on site they can just bring the plans up there and then instead of coming back to the office all the time. And it's certainly working smarter, not harder.
Like any new technology, it's a bit frightening for people, especially older people like myself. So what we do, we sit down with them and show them how easier it is actually to use. I think once you get over that barrier and explain to them properly, that they are starting to embrace it even more. Coordination will be on every site in the future. One of the reasons because people don't want to see wastage, they don't want to do rework. And if you can produce a good enough model, it's all there, you fit it once, and we go on to the next job.
BIM in the construction industry going forward is going to be a technology that will be used by both the major construction companies as well as the subcontractors, engineers and architects, and at some point that'll all come together to have a much better workflow on site.
Behind me is one of the developments we've done with Precinct Properties, and we're currently developing a project right next door called 10 Madden Street. One of their key requirements was to utilise BIM technology on both of their projects.
Hawkins are putting a fantastic effort into BIM, and they are possibly leading the way with this technology in the construction sector.